Welcome in the virtual class presented by Tejasri Bhilare. We are going to learn subject mathematics first, chapter first, linear equations in two variable. In this chapter, we are specially focused on the subunit simultaneous linear equations. Before going to this simultaneous linear equation point, we have to understand some concept related with this simultaneous equation. First concept to understand that we are going to use in day-to-day life is solution of linear equation in two variable. Second concept, simultaneous linear equations. Third concept, method of solving simultaneous linear equation. So we start with the first point, the solution of linear equation in two variable. For this we take example. Write all solution of linear equation x plus y is equal to 7. Student, we know that here x and y are two variables. That's we don't know the value of x and y. So we manually guess, manually consider value of x and substitute this value in the equation, this given linear equation, and find the value of second variable. So manually first we put the value of variable x is equal to 1 in the equation. We get 1 plus y is equal to 7. That is y is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. That is if we put the value of x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 6. That is unknown. These two are unknown. We find these two unknown and we write this solution in order pair 1, 6 is one of the solution of the given linear equation in two variable and is the order pair. If we put x is equal to 2, that is we replace the value of x manually, that is we take x is equal to the equation we come 2 plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 minus 5, 2 is equal to 5. That is we get another order pair or another solution is 2, 5. Similarly, we have as we changes the value of x, we get more value of y. So the value of two variable for which given equation satisfy is the solution of linear equation in two variable. And a linear equation have infinite many solutions. It is a order pair. Solution of any linear equation is a order pair. These things that the meaning of solution of linear equation, any linear equation have infinite many solutions and it is written in the form of order pair that we have to take in mind. Next we are going to see a puzzle. See here, Anuja and Tanuja are two best friends. They both had 5 cakes. If we consider that Anuja had a cake, then definitely Tanuja got 4 cakes. If Anuja had 2 cakes, then Tanuja got 3 cakes. Anuja had 3 cakes, then Tanuja had got 2 cakes. We don't know how many cakes Anuja had and how many cakes Tanuja had. So we are consider this number of cakes in the hand of Anuja as a variable x and in the hand of Tanuja number of that is variable y. So according to this condition, Anuja and Tanuja had total of 5 cakes. We write the linear equation as x plus y is equal to 5. And as we see in the last slide, that is every linear equation and infinite many solution. So we definitely do not say that Anuja had accurate this amount of cake and Tanuja had accurate this amount of cake. For this we consider second condition. If we again say that Tanuja had one more cake than Anuja, then according to this second condition, we see that if Anuja had one cake, then Tanuja got 2 cakes. Anuja had 2 cakes. Tanuja had 3 cakes. if Anuja had 3 cakes, one more than Anuja is, that is 4 cakes had Tanuja. So if Anuja had X cakes, then the Tanuja got X plus 1 cakes. So from this condition, we get second linear equation y is equal to x plus 1. If we observe this, all the possibilities of the values of x and y, there are 2 and 3. This value satisfy both the condition. That is, value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 3. These two values of the variable x and y satisfy both the condition. So this is called the solution of this simultaneous equation. Before this, what is a simultaneous equation? The simultaneous equation means two linear equations. Simultaneous equation means two linear equation and in two variables. Together taken, if we take together, then these two linear equation in two variable are called simultaneous linear equation. So here two linear equation in two variable together taken are called simultaneous linear equation. So this is the meaning of simultaneous linear equation in two variable, two linear equation, two variable. So for example, first simultaneous linear equation, x plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is a simultaneous equation. Second, 2a plus 3b is equal to 4, a plus 3b is equal to 7 is second simultaneous equation. And so on. We can write m minus n is equal to 5, m plus n is equal to 9. This is also simultaneous linear equation in two variables. So next, if we how to solve this simultaneous linear equation, we solve this linear equation, simultaneous linear equation, using two main method, graphical method and algebraic method. In ninth standard, we already studied three methods of solving simultaneous equation by algebraic method. First is elimination of element by equating coefficient. Second, substitution method, particular how we that is method of solving particular type of simultaneous equation. Now in this standard, we learn two more method of solving algebraic method of solving simultaneous linear equation. So first we revise these two method in this video. We take example here. Solve simultaneous linear equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is the simultaneous equation. We have to solve this simultaneous equation, means we have to find the value of x and y for which both the equations satisfy. So let us start with the first method, that is by equating coefficient method. Elimination of one variable, any variable, by equating coefficient method. So first write the equation and give them name as a first equation, second equation. Observe the coefficient of x variable and y variable. First, we are going to study about the equating coefficient method. So we observe, if we observe the variable coefficient of x variable, we see that it is equal. Coefficients of x are equal. So if we eliminate, if we subtract these two equations, one from second, then we eliminate variable x and find the value of one variable equation. So let us do this. Subtract equation 2 from first. 2x plus y is equal to 13 minus here 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. We change the sign, 2x as negative minus 3y as positive, 9 as negative. We get one variable equation for y is equal to 4. After solving this one variable equation, that is, if we divide both sides by 4, we get y is equal to 1. So we eliminate x and find value of y. Now substitute this value of y in equation second. Second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 13. So put the value of y in the place of y. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. That is 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. So in this way, First, we rename this equation. We observe the equation and find if there are any one variable have equal coefficient. If so, we subtract one from second, find the element of one variable, find value of other variable. We substitute this other variable value in equation and find the value of another variable. So the solution of linear equation by equating coefficient method, elimination of any one variable by equating coefficient method, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1. It is a solution. It also written as bracket x comma y is equal to bracket 6 comma y bracket 6 comma 1 bracket complete. So this is the solution of the simultaneous linear equation of the in two variable. Now we are going to learn about the second method mm, of solving simultaneous linear equation, that is substitution method. Before going to this method, we remember that we take same example for the substitution method and see that after solving by the substitution method, can we get the same answer or not, and verify this. So go start with second method. By substitution method, we first rename these equations. First equation, second equation. Now let's see what we should have to do in this method. We have to write the value of in term of x, value of y in term of x from any one equation. But here, what is convenient? Which is the convenient equation in this from these two equations? If we observe the second equation, it is convenient to write y in term of x. So we take second equation and we write 2x plus y is equal to 13. That is y is equal to 13 minus 2x. This is how we write the y in term of x. We rename this equation as a third equation. Now we substitute value of y in equation for first. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. So 2x minus 3 into bracket, we replace this y by 13 minus 2x. Bracket complete is equal to 9. After solving this bracket, 2x as it is minus 3 into 13, 39, minus minus plus 3 into 2, 6, x is equal to 9. That is 8x minus 39 is equal to 9. 8x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Now substitute this x is equal to 6 in equation 3. Third equation is that y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 6. We replace this x with the value 6. So y is equal to 13 minus, well, that is y is equal to 1. So the solution of this linear equation, simultaneous equation by substitution method is also x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1. That is same we find in the method of elimination of variable by equating coefficient. That is, from this, what we justify, what we say about the method of solving any mathematical any example. Yeah, that is we say that if there are method or we changes method of solving, answer cannot be changes. So by the equating coefficient, the answer is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1. By the substitution method, answer is same because we take a same one. That is, if we solve any equation by various method, we get same answer. So this is your two method. Now we observe this activity. We have to complete this activity. We read this activity. Solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. 5x minus y is equal to 18. Student, see here, we have to solve this two simultaneous equation. But First, we read all the example because we do not know that by which method this activities is completed. So first, read this all the example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Rename as one first equation. 5x minus y is equal to 18. Rename as second equation. Let's solve the equation by eliminating y. But by which method? So if we read second sentence statement, we we come to know that it is a equating coefficient method. Fill suitably the boxes below. Multiply equation 2 by 2. Here activity is given that you have to multiply this equation second by 2. So we multiply 5x by 2. Okay, we multiply 5x by 2. So we write here 2. So when we say that multiply equation by any number, we have to multiply all the terms on both the side by the same number. So we also multiply negative y by also 2, 18 by 2. That is 5x into 2, we get 10x minus y into 2 get negative 2y minus 2y, that is equal to 36. So by multiplying 2 to the equation 2, we get 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. This is the third equation. If we observe the coefficient of y in first and third uh, equation, we see that this second term is opposite number. That is the coefficient of y in first equation is positive 2 and coefficient of y in third equation is negative 2. That is opposite number. If we add opposite number, we get answer 0. So we eliminate here y. So 3x, we add first and third. 3x is written here. We write 10x two y and 36. So we fill these boxes. Now 3x and 10x. Sum is 13x plus 2y negative 2y get 0. 29, 36, 65. So 13x is equal to 65. Then x is equal to 65 by 13. X is equal to 5. Now we substitute this value of x in equation first. First equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Here we have to replace x by 5. So we write 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Then what is the product of 3 and 5? That is 15. If we multiply 3 by 5, we get 15 plus 2y as it is equal to 29 as it is. Here 15 is, we add 15 here. So after we changing side, we subtract this 15 on the second side. We get 29 minus 15, 2y is equal to. So 2y is equal to 14. That is y is equal to, that is 2y is equal to 14. Then y is equal to 7. So our solution So we get equation as 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. That is 2y is equal to 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. So 2y is equal to 14, y is equal to 7. So solution of this equation is 5. x x value of x is 5 and value of y is 7. So we complete this activity by equating coefficient method. So now we take another uh, example activity for solving such type of the activity. For this we have to erase all this. So we go to next activity. So see, complete the following activity. We are going to study about the second activity to solve the simultaneous equation. We rename 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 as the first equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 second equation. If we observe the coefficient of x variable, it is a 5, here is 5, here is 2, here is positive 3, here is negative 3. Only if we add only these two equations, we eliminate y and find value of x. So adding first and second, we get 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, that is 7x. 7x is the value. 7x. Here x is given, so we erase and we write only 7. So 7x is equal to 21. Then x is equal to 21 upon 7. That is, we get x is equal to 3. So we eliminate y and find the value of x. Now place this x is equal to 3 in equation first. First equation 5x plus 3y. So we replace the x by 3, that is 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 into 3, 15. If we change the side, we get 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15. So 3y is equal to negative 6. And y is equal to negative 6 by 3. That is negative 2. So by substituting value of x, we get value of y, and we get the solution 3, negative 2. That is the value of x and y by this method. So all the best, and view this video, like this video, and be safe, stay at home, be safe, take care.